Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we have an exciting one: Amazon Fresh's wild-caught swordfish. If you're a seafood lover like me, you know the importance of freshness and quality when it comes to fish. And let me tell you, this wild-caught swordfish from Amazon Fresh ticks all the boxes. Now, before we dive into the details, let's talk about why this swordfish stands out. Firstly, it's sustainably sourced and wild-caught. That means you can enjoy it guilt-free, knowing that it's been harvested responsibly. Whether you prefer grilling, baking, broiling, or pan-frying, this swordfish is incredibly versatile. Its firm texture makes it perfect for various cooking methods, and it absorbs flavors like a dream. Just look at this gorgeous swordfish steak. It's succulent, it's flavorful, and it's ready to elevate your next meal to new heights. Now, let's talk about nutrition. Swordfish is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients like protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It's a healthy choice for any diet. Worried about thawing? Don't be. Amazon Fresh provides easy-to-follow thawing instructions, ensuring that your swordfish is ready to cook whenever you are. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. Takes a bite. It's tender, it's juicy, and it's bursting with flavor. Trust me, folks, you won't be disappointed. So there you have it, folks. Amazon Fresh's wild-caught swordfish is hands down the best swordfish you can get your hands on. Whether you're planning a fancy dinner party or a cozy night in, this swordfish will take your culinary creations to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy cooking!